So, hey everyone, hope you all are doing well over there. Okay, so before starting off this video, after a very long period of time, I wish you a happy New Year 2022. I hope this brings you a lot of smile and courage to face every situation in your life. And so I have promised you all to get back to YouTube and start my video, and right now I'll start my video with a haircut. So if everyone is following me on my Instagram, as I know you may be following me, so there I have posted to get a new haircut, and I wanted your suggestions, and I got a suggestions for sag haircut. I don't know why you guys chose this haircut. You know I have a round face, and this cut will not go for me, but yeah, since it's it's a new year, and my friends are suggesting me to try out this hairstyle. Okay, let's do it, guys. Let's start my video. I have got my changed outfit, and right now I'll just part my hair, and I will not be able to continue speaking in the video itself. I'll put the voiceover. Okay, this hairstyle is inspired from Paul Ward. Okay, wait a minute. Let me check his name. Okay, so yeah, so his name is Paul Watts. Yeah, so he has done a 3-section sag haircut, which I will be doing because I'll be doing on my own, and I don't have a hairdresser, so I'll be needing my brother to help me out a little. And yeah, let's begin the video. Okay, let me tell you some tips and tricks. So if you're cutting your hairs at home and you are doing it by yourself, don't cut your hair wet, because that will means you will not get an idea about how much you have to cut, and you will cut more of your hair, and then you will regret of why you tried this at home cut. And yeah, parting is really important. Comb your hair really well. Get rid of your all of your knots in your hair. And so while combing my hair, I got this much hairful. So I really need a very good haircut to actually get rid of all this hair problems. Even my hair got thinner. And yeah, let's start.
Taking the video as a reference, I'm gonna take the crown section partition first. So I'm gonna take the line from the arch of my eyebrow to the mid of my crown section. See how I'm parting this. This should form a V shape later on. After tying my hair into a ponytail, it should form a V section. ठीक है, तो मतलब एक वी शेप का सेक्शन लेना है हमको फ्रॉम आर्च ऑफ माई आईब्रोज टू द क्राउन ऑफ माई हेड. यू कैन सी मैंने यहाँ पे कैसे पार्टीशन किया है, एंड आप पॉल वॉट्स का भी देख सकते हो उन्होंने कैसे पार्टीशन किया है, मीन्स हाउ Mr. Paul did the partition. So similar to that, I'm gonna create the partition and then comb my hair really well, so that I get a cool finish, and tie my hair to a ponytail so that the cut is precise. Okay, whenever I'm gonna cut my hair, it should be precise. And also remember that you should take the line, means take 2 inches gap from your head for it, and also there should be a 3.5 inches of gap between your crown to the ponytail you are tying right now. So yeah, you can see it should be in the middle, the ponytail should be in the middle. So yeah, I took that as a reference and I did the first section really well. Now it's time for the second section, that is the side pigtail. And for that you need to part your hair from the middle, from my back side I have to part it in a middle section in between, which was really tough, so I thought of taking my brother's help. I hope he will do it, but he also don't know how to do it, so I have to take my grandmother's help. She is really good at this hairdos and all, so yeah, she then came forward and said that give me, I'll do the partition, you don't worry. So yeah.
हाँ दे कर दे तू जा वीडियो देख
बेटा तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
So here she is actually helping me out doing the middle partition. Actually she is so good at middle parting, I mean really I can trust her blindly. So yeah, after doing the middle section I have to form a pigtail like I did on my crown section. I have to take the section in the middle, means it's just a little bit away from my ears, and yeah, you can see I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, you have to comb it really well and tie into pigtails, and I think this is what you need to create. Like you can see all the sections are clearly made, and this is not so hard, means if you have a very long hair this would make you feel very tired, but yeah, this is all good, and you should really comb your hair twice or thrice, because you need a really precise cut. So yeah, and I'm really sorry I took very long, a very big scissor, because I thought that my hair would not I cannot cut my hair with the small one, but later on I realized no, this is a very big mistake, I have to cut it on a smaller section, that would be great. So crown section, it is really like difficult to cut, so I told my mom to help me out a little.
मेरे को तो ऐसा धक हो रहा है.
Like Paul Walt, I didn't want to cut my hair really short because I don't know what the output will come. Make sure that you always have 1 inch extra while cutting, because if you cut shorter at the very beginning, then you're gonna regret, and I don't want to regret right now, because if I'll do that, no, I will have no other option to go to a hairdresser, and I don't want to do mistake. I should keep safety precaution first, right? So yeah, my crown section is almost done. Now for the 2 pigtails, here I'm taking a roughly measurement, because here I have to cut my hair of my own. So yeah, you should cut it in a pointed it should be a pointed cut rather than a blunt cut. You should be cutting it very precisely. You can see it's not mandatory that you cut it at one go, you can cut it slowly by slowly. So that's what I'm doing, and giving it a more precise look with more cuts. So yeah, let me measure from that section, so that here I should not make a mistake, right? So yeah, you can see the measurement I'm taking. Yeah, so let's hope for the best. I don't know what I'm gonna create. Let's see.
Shooting a haircut video is very difficult. Oh wow!
Oh my God! Wow!
Same time, same cut. Wow! Beautiful. Oh my god.
I thought I think it's quite equal, but I think I need one more cut, I guess, because I don't know what means it's just looking similar, but I don't know, I think I need one more cut.
ଗୋଟେ ଚୁଟି ଆଗୁଆ କାହିଁକି ଗୋଟେ ଚୁଟି ପଛୁଆ କାହିଁ ପଡୁଛି?
हैं ओके इक्वल कटा है क्योंकि मुझे समझ तो रहा है कि इक्वल है might be equal नहीं हुआ तो
The moment for truth. You can see this is so good. I mean, I cannot imagine this is such a nice cut. I mean, I just love it, yeah, guys. So many layers and the way it looks on me. I think thank you guys for choosing this sag haircut. It really make me look pretty. Actually, thanks, guys. You can see from the back side. It has so many layers and yeah, my hair look healthy right now. So yeah, it's lovely. It's so good. I'm loving it, guys. Thank you so much, my Instagrammers. Thank you. Okay, I think I should go for fringes because that will look me more crazy. And right now, it's a very trendy thing, right? To get fringes. So yeah, let's go for the fringes. I guess.
wow we will go for fringes, okay? So yeah, let's do it.
So here I have to take a small V section in the front of my head, on the front of my head, and yeah, you see it should be a clean section, and then parting it from the middle. I have to cross one section over another, and yeah, then I have to cut the lower part. I mean the part which is on my chin. I measured it to my chin, and then I start cutting it. With reference to the other one I cut, I took this one also, this side, and yeah, it quite not similar, so I have to cut it once again like this. The picture you can see, yeah, it's quite a pretty one, and yeah, it looked great on me. I think I love it. I love the hairstyle, I love the haircut, I love the fringes, and yeah, it's so beautiful on me.
Okay, let me show you how many hairs are there. How much hairs are there? See. Well, this haircut works. I think it looks so good on me.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Mr. Paul, for giving this idea. This looked really great, and I want to thank you all, guys. I hope you have watched this video and it make you smile for a day. And of course, thanks for watching this video. We'll meet you in our next video. Till then, bye, guys.